Hi guys. Hello. So we're actually going to Croatia today.
Back in Stansted.
No, do you know what he did? He said, I just need to test your liquids. So he got my Pantene, put it in a special lockbox, ran a test, and then it was fine.
Right, we made it guys, Jess survived.
I survived.
Where she is.
Yellow plain telly, yellow plain telly.
Oh shit, you got them. Cheers to that.
Do you want Aperol or
I personally
And go for Aperol.
Guys, we've each got a coaster and we're buying a big bottle of Aperol. This is a great experience so far. Last year that bar is where we sat for 8 hours and headed towards the gate now. But guys, who knows if we'll even take off today. This is the glass tunnel we were stuck in. We're actually meant to take off in 1 minute.
1 minute.
And as you can see, we're not on the plane. No. We just don't have good luck here at Stansted Airport with louder air. But
Looking forward to holiday.
hey guys, just arrived. There's our lovely driver.
This is incredible.
Hello, hello. We've made it. Room number 1. Sweet.
Oh, I didn't.
Head out round here. Toilet 1, toilet 2. Ladies in here. Wow, this one's nice. Oh wow, you can sit out there as well. So sweet. Wow. So nice.
Yeah, if you do this, it's the touch. Oh, this is the shit.
This is the
Bed.
Both the toes.
The entrance.
Here we go, guys. Floating away.
Yeah, yes, someone go.
Sunny.
Oh,
Go. The dinner ladies. That's our school dinner. No, I wish they were naked maids. This is our yummy dinner. Dinner with a view. Guys, Mia's currently on her way to A&E because she's really badly hurt her ankle, and our Airbnb people took them. Yeah, our Airbnb hosts took them
and they're
there.
gonna pick them up.
Just so kind, and it's bringing Emma to tears.
It's really making me feel wonderful.
Meanwhile, we're watching a horror film with our feet up.
We do care about her a lot. We really wish she's okay.
Yeah.
Not just milking it.
But this is our wild Friday night on our party holiday. Just what we expected. She's back from the Poppy to the hospital and got turned away.
There is not a single person in the hospital. Not one doctor is in the hospital.
Yeah, so now we're just sitting around the table singing with Plankton. Oh my god! The plaster with a big knife.
Oh, it's bad.
Bits for the vlog. Oh, nice. Smile.
Hey.
I know. There's not a lot of space for us to jump together, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, well, they jumped and then next. 3, 2, 1. It's really quite cold. Come on. Oh my god.
Takes my breath away. Come on.
Okay, you go and I'll go after. The girls in their dinghies. That's our little boat. It's really, really nice. Hey Mia. Ah, I kicked in the leg. Down she goes to look at the coral. Just really, really nice.
She did just start.
What a treat this is.
Yeah, just a little.
Schnapps.
Booze.
Boozy schnapps.
What a treat.
42%.
Wait.
Are you supposed to down it?
Okay, cheers.
Yes.
Quite nice. It's not very nice. It's not very nice. I'm just letting you know.
Okay, ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Going in that little tight cave.
Let's get to the cave. Going in that tiny entrance.
Guys, we're literally not wearing any gear. We're just in bikinis and bare feet.
Quality footage, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so scared of being trapped in here. Okay, mind over that. Yeah, it's really warm. Oh my god, it's so like Oh, we've got to scale yet another rock and we get the camera. Oh, I don't like the terrain. Guys. Seriously deep. Nice place. I like the cave. Look up. Oh fuck. Deep into the cave. Oh guys, it's really tough to get through here. It's really shallow. Out here. Emma, doesn't it get hard? And you see the barnacles? I'm gonna get some footage of Kath going down. Kath, please look at the texture of the walls. Yeah. I might just walk. Yeah, just be like careful. She went! Ellie, take one look at the barnacles. Kath's whole head dipped in the ocean. Caving. My knee a bit. Hey GoPro. It's time to go to the sea. Oh, there's a pigeon! There's a sweet pigeon up there! One. So many fish. I'm turning this bugger off now. And thanks for caving with us. More mystery booze. Mystery booze. That's really good. I need to tell the vlog that Michaela got poisoned today.
Fed raw pink chicken. We'll find out if I get salmonella in 6 hours or 6 days.
It could, or
know.
it could be tonight.
I'll let everyone know. Can we watch Tom and Jerry?
This is what we're spending our holiday watching. I can't believe the spikes that he's about to be faced with.
It's so dangerous. It can be.
Oh god.
Like, what actually happens?
Oh, that's tight. Another day, another dinner. What a treat. Dinner part 2.
2000.
Yeah. Right.
Cheers.
Sweetening you are.
Ali Barrow the second.
Oh, I feel nervous that it's getting easier. We're finishing that before we go out.
Right, it's emergency. Beats and grinder killed MC. Guys, this is it. Zrce Beach.
Guys, I pissed myself.
She's going out the cattle. Can you speak? Cattle, man. I look really rough.
I just think of smoke.
Chicken and stuffing sandwich from a few days ago that's come all the way from England.
Probably gonna make me feel ill.
Heading for that. Ah! Jess, go! It's too cold. We made it to the top, it's big. Look at our view. It's actually nice. No, hold on, ready? Take a breath. 2, 1. Exhausting, I won't lie. Yes. Whoa, Gav! Should we jump off? Jump? Yeah. Panic flail. Off they go. Right. Woo! Whoa! Victory jump, Emma. And then I'm going second. But we're here now. I'm gonna end the footage now. Bye. Good one. Hey, good evening. It's the last night. We're going out for dinner. Some help. That was Monday, I've got to say. Hey. Packing up our bits.
Big struggle. It's actually arguably like torture.
Yeah. Hi. It's the last bit of the vlog. I've got one question from Jack. Do you want an EBT in the morning?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Will you want an EBT in the morning?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'd love an EBT tomorrow.
Said we're down for bed. No, that can't be there.
There's a scorpion.
No.
No, seriously.
You have to watch the way he moves. Oh no, it's like a
stuttering.
spider. Oh my god. I really don't like him. Emma's come to save the day. Oh god, there he is. Scuttering off. Okay, let's say goodbye to the place. Bye. Sad day. You just have a look there. London Stansted delays. Great vibes here in Zadar Airport. It's just like our luck, really.